Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So I'm creating this to show you how easy it is to request an appointment through the Azalea Orthopedics website. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your search bar or search browser and type in azaleaortho.com. Once you have that in, then you'll come to our website and it'll look like this. And now there's several places that you can request an appointment. But the easiest way is to go up here to request an appointment, and you'll look here and there are a series of starred questions. Now those require an answer. So for this example, I'm just going to write test on everything, and then once we fill this out, then we'll have one of our scheduling agents that will contact you within 48 hours. So I'm going to type in a new patient, and then where's your pain? We'll go with back and neck. Do you have a preference in specialist? So you might not know all of our surgeons and physicians, but that's okay. So we're going to go to first available. That's first available back and neck specialist. So is there a specific day? For this example, we're going to choose Friday the 26th, and that's on a Friday. What time? We have recently added a Tuesday afternoon clinic, but for this example, we'll go with in the morning. What location do you prefer? I'm going to choose Tyler. First name, test. Last name, test. Email address. Now we need this information because this is how we are going to contact you after you submit this request. Okay, so we have that, and then we'll say I have Blue Cross insurance. Okay, and we'll put our age, and how did you hear about us? We'll go with word of mouth, and then we hit submit. Then you'll see the successfully submitted, and one of our scheduling representatives will contact you shortly. Thanks for watching.